There's a way back, you fool. There must be a way back. What is it?
Your luncheon?
Oh, take it away.
You don't want it cold, do you? Do you suppose that I'm going to carry trays backwards and forwards all day? Luncheon's at 1, and it's 1-0.
Get out!
He's not going to stay under this roof. Not another hour. Crashed the tray out of my hand and swore at me. Turns my best sitting room into a chemist's shop. Spills it on the carpets. And him a week behind with his money. Go and tell him if he ain't packed up and gone in half an hour, we'll have the law in to turn him out. And take him his bill. £3.10. And see you get it before you come out. Go on.
Let's leave him a bit, Jenny, till he cools off.
Go on, do it now. Him and his goggles in his chemist's shop. If you don't kick him out, I'm peering out myself, and that's the truth. And I mean it this time.
And the whole day's work ruined by a foolish ignorant woman. There must be a way back. God knows there's a way back. If only they'd leave me alone.
Look here, mister. We can't have this no more. You've broken the wife's best china. You're a week behind with the rent. You've got to pack up and go.
I'm expecting some money, Mr. Hall. I'll pay you directly it comes.
You said that last week and it hasn't come yet.
I came here for quiet and secrecy. I'm carrying out a difficult experiment. I must be left alone. It's vital. It's life and death that I should be left alone. You don't understand.
I understand all right. You don't pay. And what's more, you're driving folks away from our house.
Mr. Hall, I've had a serious accident. It's disfigured me. Affected my eyes.
I don't mean that. I mean the way you carry on. Throwing things about on the carpets and swearing. It's no good, mister. You've got to go.
I implore you to let me stay. I beg of you.
The wife says if you don't go, she is, so it's got to be you. Come on, I'll help you to get this stuff packed up.
Leave that alone and get out of here!
Look here, is this my house or yours?
What are you doing?